हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। वेलकम अल अफ यू टू माई च्यानल। आजको डिस्कसनमा हामी चाहिँ ट्रान्जेक्सन एनालाइसिस यानि एकाउन्टिङ इक्वेसनको बारेमा छलफल गर्नेछौँ। दिस इज अल अबाउट एकाउन्टिङ इक्वेसन भनिसकेपछि दिस इज अल अबाउट एसेट इक्वल्स टु लायबिलिटिज प्लस स्टक होल्डर इक्विटी भन्छौँ, या वी क्यान से दैट डेट प्लस इक्विटी। नाउ लेट्स मूव टु द सम अफ द एक्जाम्पल। लाइक रे Barbara decide to open a computer programming company that they incorporated as a soft bite incorporation, for which they invest 15,000 cash in the business in exchange of 15,000 for common stock bunch. When you record the journal entry, it will be simply cash account debit to common stock bunch. Yeah, you can say that's your capital account, but this is common stock. Okay. Now, cash being the current asset component हामीले यहाँ राख्छौँ। Okay, 15,000. We don't have liabilities here. So is a stockholder equity, common stock being the part of equity भनिसकेपछि हामीले 15,000 यहाँ राख्नु पर्यो। Now let's move to the next example, friends. Like your SoftBite purchase computer equipment for 7,000 cash. When you record the journal entry, you purchase, this company purchase computer equipment. Okay, so computer equipment account debit to cash भन्छौँ because you have to make the payment cash. So when you record the journal entry, then you would like to know about its effect in accounting equation, friends. So at first, old balance we have is the 15,000. This is 15,000. Okay. So cash outflow, when you purchase the computer, this company purchase the computer in cash. So cash outflow being outflow by one minus गर्ने हो. Now computer you purchase, company purchase. So this is your fixed assets. Okay. 7,000 भयो फेरि। सो न्यू ब्यालेन्स भनिसकेपछि 15,000 minus 7,000 is the 8,000. 7,000 is 15,000. Okay, both will be the same, by the way, total. Now let's move to the third example. Okay, now SoftBite purchase a computer paper and the other supplies expected to last several months for 1,600 from Acme Supply Corporation. That means this company purchased the goods on credit. Okay, अब purchase goods भयो भने goods account debit to हामी account payable भन्छौँ. Okay, that's the journal entry. Now what about its effect in accounting equation? So cash is a goods purchase, supplies you can say computer account equals to account payable plus common stock. Okay, now old balance जति छ टक्क त्यही राखिदिने 8,000. this is 8,000 भयो हाम्रो. Okay, now this is 7,000, this is 15,000. अब now when we purchase the goods, that means supplies 1,600. अर्को चाहिँ तिर्नु पर्ने छ, इट हैज नट बीन पेड अकाउन्ट पेबल. सो दिस इज 1,600 अकाउन्ट पेबल भइदिन्छ. बट व्हेन यु एडेड न्यू ब्यालेन्स, जस्तो न्यू ब्यालेन्स वुड बी 8,000, दिस विल बी 1,600, 7,000, या दिस इज 1,600, 15,000. सो टोटल ब्यालेन्स इज नाउ 16,600 फ्रेन्ड्स, र अर्को भनेको 16,600. नाउ लेट्स मुभ टु द 4 नम्बर क्वेसन. लाइक SoftBite received the 1,400 cash from customer for programming services it has provided. So this is about your cash inflow भन्छौँ हामी. Okay, अब that means because this company is selling the services to their clients, to their customers. Okay, त्यो के छ भने again we have a old balance जति छ त्यो राख्यो. Since we collect the cash, company collect the cash, so cash inflow is 1,200, and this is it will increase the revenue, and naturally यसले के गर्छ भने हाम्रो रिटर्न अर्निङ पोर्सनलाई पनि पोजिटिभली इफेक्ट गरे हुन्छ. सो इट विल बी प्लस 1,200 राख्नु पर्यो फेरि. सो when you add it again, it will be 17,800, अर्को चाहिँ 17,800. Now what about the fifth number question? Just this company received the bill for 250 from the Daily News for advertising to be paid. That means यो भनेको इज अल अबाउट फ्रेन्ड्स जुन कम भन्छौँ हामी, दिस इज अल अबाउट यो एक्सपेन्सेस खर्च भइसक्यो बट एमाउन्ट हेज नट बिन पेड. ओके, अब हामी के गर्छौँ भने यो केसमा फ्रेन्ड्स, अब द्याट इज अब हामीले सिम्पली गर्दाखेरि एगेन यु हेभ टु रेकर्ड द ओल्ड ब्यालेन्सेस. अब न्यू ब्यालेन्स भनेको चाहिँ अकाउन्ट पेएबल, बट द्याट इज इट हेज नट बिन पेड, र फेरि बेस्ड अन योर एक्रुअल अकाउन्टिङ सिस्टम पछि त तिर्नै पर्ने हुन्छ. द्याट इज द बेसिक रिजन यो रिटर्न एमाउन्ट वुड डिक्लाइन फ्रेन्ड्स. ओके, सो यो टोटल भनेको चाहिँ इज अल अबाउट 17,800, यहाँ पनि 17,800. नाउ लेट्स मुभ टु द लास्ट केस. लास्ट केस भनेको हामी दिस इज अल अबाउट यो we say that this is SoftBite provide the programming services of 3500 for the customer, जसमा 1500 received from the customer and 2000 is billed to the customer on account. That means उधारोमा छ भने बुझ्नु पर्यो. Okay, so that means अब यो केसमा फेरि अगेन क्याश अकाउन्ट डेबिट, क्याश अकाउन्ट, रिसिभेबल, सप्लाइज, कम्प्युटर अकाउन्ट पेबल, कमन स्टक, रिटर्न अर्निङ. अब अगेन यु हेभ टु रेकर्ड द ओपनिङ ब्यालेन्स. अब यहाँ चाहिँ हेर्नुहोस्, यु हेभ कम्पनी कलेक्टेड द्याट इज द 1500, सो दिस इज प्लस. अब यो भनेको 2000 टु बी कलेक्टेड, यो कम्पनीले कलेक्ट गर्नुपर्ने छ, द्याट्स अ रिसिभेबल अमाउन्ट टु बी कलेक्टेड. दिस इज अल्सो क्याश अकाउन्ट रिसिभेबल, सप्लाई, दिज अल आर दि current asset, this is fixed asset, this is again that is current liabilities, and this is equity bhaन्छौँ. But when you add it friends, that is the 21,300 or 21,300. This way we record the journal entry. र हामीले प्रत्येक ट्रान्जेक्सन के गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ भने we have to record it properly and we have to check our overall transaction कि अब accurately record भएको छ कि छैन friends. Okay friends, these are the things that I would like to share today. If you like this content, like पनि गर्नु होला र मेरो च्यानल that is the finance guru Pawan Kumar Jha, please subscribe this channel. Thank you all of you for watching this video. Please take care all of you. Thank you.